Hello and welcome to our video on how to create a journey stick. This activity is part of our Making Magical Memories campaign with In the Night Garden. We are the national charity for children's nurseries and we have partnered with In the Night Garden to produce resources for nurseries and parents to use with their children. This activity is taken from the section of the nursery guide that explores journeys outside the setting. It will help children's language and communication skills and will also help physical development through walking, attaching materials and using sensors to feel different items. At the end of each episode of In the Night Garden, the narrator recaps on what the characters have been doing. It is important to use recaps to help children reinforce their learning and ask questions they may not have thought of earlier in the activity or day. We recommend you do this on a regular basis to help children to establish this in their daily routine. It is good to recommend this to parents to support children in recalling what they have been doing during the day and discuss their feelings relating to the activities. This will also help parents to be able to build on their learning and development in the home learning environment. This activity is a great way to encourage children to recap a journey and to help them to develop magical memories. Find a long stick. This will be used to map your walk. Go on a walk outside and use the string to attach different items to the stick as you walk along. Ask the children to look out for different plants or items to show their journey they have taken and what they have seen, and then attach them in the order they appear. Once you return to the setting, recap with the children what they've seen on their journey by going down the stick and the items they've attached. Why not leave sticks in the garden for the children to do their own journeys? You can even set up a trail for the children to follow and find items from the activities in this guide along the way. Download an example of a trail from the NDNA website.